Vitter Amendment number 4, Madam Chair, is about mosquito control, and it tries to address a problem that exists now or potentially exists now under present law, and it tries to fix that. Mosquito control pesticides have never been impacted by the CWA before and have never required permits. Recently, there has been a move, and there have been some court cases that call that into question. Requiring these CWA permits for mosquito control pesticides will be a huge impediment to their effective and timely use. And already they are properly regulated under federal law because they're explicitly evaluated for water impacts when they are registered under the Federal Insecticide, Fungicide, and Rodenticide Act. So they're already evaluated, already regulated under a different part of federal law, allowing CWA to start impacting them and possibly requiring permits is going to be a major impediment to their effective use. And that's a big deal in some areas, including Louisiana. And this isn't some minor issue with regard to comfort. This goes to West Nile virus and other very serious diseases that mosquito control pesticides help prevent. So it's very important for public health that effective mosquito control programs can be effectuated and can move forward. This would specifically resolve this uncertainty in present law and would allow those measures to move forward, and I would ask for the committee's support.
Senator, I have some good news for you. The Obama administration has sought and obtained a 2-year stay on this whole issue, and federal law does not currently require a permit for the application of pesticides to control mosquitoes or other public health threats. So for 2 years, there's no problem. But I will work with you as we move this to the floor as this becomes more known, because I think it's already under control here, and I don't think we need to have an amendment, again, an exemption, when this issue is already being taken care of. So I'd urge a no vote on this exemption.
Madam Chair, if I can just respond. The 2-year stay does not solve the issue because there are some court cases that could require permits of mosquito control pesticides that have never been, in a way that's never been required before. So I know the President is doing all sorts of things, but he can't negate those court cases or those decisions. The government, the U.S. government, may take that position in court, but the court can decide otherwise. So that pure administrative temporary position does not resolve the issue even within the 2 years, which is why I'm offering this amendment.
Okay. The 2-year moratorium has just started. I would call the question on this. All in favor of Vitter Amendment number 4, please say aye.
Aye.
All opposed say no. No. Couldn't share the noes.
Can I ask for a roll call vote?
Roll call vote, yes.
Mr. Alexander.
Yes.
Aye by proxy. Mr. Barrasso. Aye. Mr. Bacchus.
No by proxy.
Mr. Bond. Aye by proxy. Mr. Carter. No. Mr. Parker.
No by proxy.
Mr. Crapo. Aye. Mrs. Gilbrand.
No by proxy.
Mr. Inhofe. Aye. Ms. Klobuchar. Mr. Lautenberg. No. Mr. Merkley. No. Mr. Sanders.
No by proxy.
Mr. Sector.
No by proxy.
Mr. Udall. Mr. Vitter.
Yes.
Mr. Bornovich. Aye by proxy. Mr. Whitehouse. No. Madam Chairman.
No. The clerk will report the vote.
Madam Chairman,
Yeah,
the
you
ayes have
missed,
seven,
he missed the,
Sorry.
yes.
you did, it's all right, that's fine.
The clerk will report the vote, please.
Madam Chairman, the ayes are 7 and the nays are 12.
The amendment fails. Are there further amendments on this before we get to move forward? Because